How to close every other tab on Safari and iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Safari on your iPhone. Now, tap on the Tabs button on the bottom right of your screen, which looks like overlapping squares, and you will be able to see all the open tabs. Now, in the grid of tabs, go ahead and find the tab that you want to keep open. Further, tap and hold on the tab's preview, and in the menu that pops up, tap on the Close Other Tabs option you see there, and with this, all the other tabs will be closed in that window except the one that you long pressed on. So, this is how you can close every other tab on Safari in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.